Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am going to be showing you some homemade dressings and some really amazing summer salads that you can pair alongside. I'm going to be bringing you 3 of these dressings, and I've decided since these are most of my questions, sauces, dressings, vegan pantry staples, I'm going to do one of these videos a week, so they are on the shorter side, and I'm just going to let you know the ingredients and what you will need. Obviously, these are going to be budget friendly. These are all going to be things that you can find in your local grocery store, no extravagant ingredients or anything like that. And they are all going to be minimal ingredients, which is really important for me, at least in my kitchen. So I really hope you enjoy today's video. I will be typing out all of the ingredients in the description box down below. And if you are excited, let's get right into this video. I paired my vegan Caesar with some massaged kale. I massage it with lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, and salt and pepper. And then all I did was put some hemp seeds on top of there and some crispy chickpeas. You could definitely do the classic Caesar salad with Parmesan and croutons, but this is how I served mine, and it was a hit.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up.
I paired my herbed balsamic dressing with some raspberries as well as some spinach, and then I put some pecans on top. This would go really well with apple if you wanted, or even peaches. You could put some feta or gorgonzola on top. My husband likes grilled chicken, so I might do that if he's into salad this summer. And yeah, this is another hit in my family. Super, super tasty. I really hope you try this one.
Jumped off the subway leading nowhere. I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking everything.
I paired this maple mustard dressing with a deconstructed salad, we shall say. I just did some chicken tenders from Target. They are vegan. I did some avocado and cherry tomato. And then I just took some romaine hearts and ripped them up and made little lettuce boats. You could definitely chop all of this up and put it into a salad if you wanted. But I find that it's easier to dip into this dressing when I make them into lettuce wraps. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed these dressings and these amazing summer salads. If you like this style of video where it's shorter and I'm just listing the ingredients on the screen, drop that in the comment box down below. I know we all are so busy, so shorter videos are much easier to follow in my opinion. And let me know what you want to see next. Next week, I am going to be doing some vegan sauces that I like to use, but please drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you want to see. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I will see you next time, y'all. Bye.
And remember this, we could have been stardust.